Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change the Robux price currency to any currency of your choice on your PC or Mac guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Since the option to change currency has been removed from the Roblox settings, there is no genuine means to do so on the platform, but it is possible to change the currency with the help of a VPN. You can change the currency on Roblox. Your location and currency will change automatically with the use of VPN. You can use the free VPN extension guys. I'm using free VPNs in Mate. You just need to click on it. Change the server you want it. After changing the server, I'm gonna select Singapore. You just need to connect to it. After connecting it, you just need to go to search menu and type Roblox. Click on I am not a robot and verify it. Now log into your Roblox website guys. Make sure you logged in your Roblox website. After connecting VPN, you may be required to sign back into your Roblox account guys after switching your location, or signed out and back into your Roblox account if you were signed in automatically. This will apply the location and currency change on your account guys. After logging into your account, click on Roblox. You can see the Roblox packages and the price in the currency of your choice will be displayed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.